c'est bien, hein. Sympa, sympa.
Flying over the mysterious island, I feel a certain nostalgia. I have always dreamed of learning to fly, and a few years ago the opportunity presented itself. It was at the controls of small elegant monoplanes produced in France, the Robin 400s, that I began to fly. Here I am, just after the pre-flight ready to take off inspection. It's wonderful, what a feeling of fulfillment, of accomplishment. The realization of a childhood dream. I imagine myself as a bush pilot, in Africa, or better, a pilot bombing Iraq and Afghanistan? In the heavens, fire, hell. The airbender, a semi-divinity among the woodlice that you are? Almost orgasmic. No, completely orgasmic. But life is playing tricks. Even more than tricks, downright crashes. And now, I am also a woodlouse who is content to fly a drone while dreaming of being a pilot. No bush, no bombs. Just the reality. A Kafkaesque transformation. They say you should always look at glasses half full and never half empty. But hey. With me, the glasses are very quickly empty. Cheers! After this melancholy parenthesis, the heart of the matter, the Île aux Moines or Island of Monks. The sky? Gray. As is almost always here, but hey, the aerial views in this weather are spectacular as you may have seen, so no need to complain that there is no sun. Do we agree? The plan is to go around the island. On the map you see on my smartphone, the red line is the plan, the blue, what we are doing. A few words about the island. All in length, it is in the Gulf of Morbihan, link in the description below. It's a bit of the island of the future because there are no cars, not even EVs like in Zermatt in Switzerland, no cars at all. Anyway, I don't think there will be any cars in the future, that's why I say this is the future. But have you seen a motorbike, haven't you? Yes, the postman. A few have cars, like firefighters or cops. Getting there is simple, you are organizing a trip to Brittany, you have to land in Paris, come by fast train, or directly to Nantes, Rennes or better still Vannes Airport. If there are no cars on the island, they are everywhere else, rental of a car highly recommended. To come to the island, go to Port Navallo, there are plenty of ferries to go there. You will arrive at Port Blanco Perio in the north of the island. For the recommended route, a link below to the GPX file to download and install on your Garmin, smartphone or other stuff you have. Better come with your food, there is nothing worth eating on this island. You can try the oysters, the dozen and a disgusting glass of Chardonnay for 20 euros, great view however. We hadn't planned our food, we settled for the usual mussels and fries. Mysterious? Apart from the poor restaurants, we feel that everything is shrouded in mystery. It was already inhabited in Neolithic times. Neolithic? Polished Stone Age. Paleolithic? Unpolished Stone Age. Basically, 10,000 years maximum. Some of our ancestors came here and erected menhirs, dolmens, burial mounds and all kinds of other stuff. Go find out why. In Breton, the island is called Enisanche, which would mean a monk, and it became Island of the Monks in French, where the Bretons saw a monk, the French saw a lot. And now is the time to dream, let yourself be carried away by the winds.
But who are you?
Yes. True, I forgot to introduce myself. The name is Mike Me. I've done a lot of stuff in my life, stuff that I dreamed of, and a lot of other shit that I hadn't dreamed of at all. Each episode is a place, a moment, an emotion. This time, you get it. Nostalgia. Finally, I will explain how I see things. We go on a trip, we film, underwater, on water, on earth, in the skies, and we tell you all about it. You don't have much to do, just wallow in your sofa with a few beers and a packet of crisps and watch. A little effort anyway. Follow if you are on Vimeo, like and subscribe on YouTube, and go to Patreon for donations. $1 per month, 10, 100, 1,000? The more you give, the more extreme it is. I love you all. See you soon for new emotions.